Lament helps the racial reconciliation conversation and process. It doesn't solve all the problems, but it can really help. So lament is a prayer in pain that leads to trust. So it's what we do together and individually when we've experienced pain as we talk to God about what's going on in our hearts, so that then we can do what God's called us to do and trust Him, and even to trust one another. And the way that lament helps reconciliation is that it's both the language of exile and empathy. So lament helps a person who feels other, who because of the culture, because of the history, because of their pain, they feel like they're on the outside. Lament can actually be the historic prayer language where those people are able to talk to God about their internal pain such that they can not only trust Him, but also move towards other people that they might be inclined to push away. On the other hand, it also is the language of empathy. So it's the way that I communicate to other people that, look, I understand, I hear, I see, I acknowledge your pain. And when we think about how it helps reconciliation, I think if we can learn to love one another because of who we are in Christ, to really listen to each other, secondly, and then to lament before we then learn and then leverage, lament allows us to be able to do something with what we've heard without moving into fix-it mode. And in that way, lament becomes a language that actually can help people with different experiences, different perspectives, with a lot of pain, know what do we do together with this? And in that way, lament helps. Doesn't solve everything, but it helps move us together instead of moving us apart.